Here's a really neat trick if you've got fractions both sides of an equal sign. It's called cross multiplying. This is what I mean by two fractions on either side of the equal sign. And what we're trying to do is to get rid of those fractions. Now you could do this the long way round, which is to multiply both sides by the product of the denominators, which is BD. Then the B's cancel on the left and the D's cancel on the right. And you're left with AD equals BC. But there's a much quicker way to do this. The shortcut is to multiply the top left by the bottom right, so that's A times D, and that goes on the left-hand side of the equal sign. Then you multiply the top right by the bottom left, and that goes on the right-hand side of the equal sign. And again we come up with AD on the left and BC on the right. We're done. But what if the number on the right isn't in the form of a fraction? In this case we've just got C on its own. Does it still work? Well, yes, because C is just C over 1. So just as before, we multiply the A by the 1, that goes on the left, and A times 1 is just A. And we multiply the B by the C, and that goes on the right. One last wrinkle that you should be aware of is if you have multiple terms in the numerator and the denominator, just remember to put in brackets. So we put brackets around the 1 plus x, and also around the y minus 4, and brackets around 2x plus 3 and 2 plus y, and then it works perfectly. If you want to see more of these videos, don't forget you can subscribe to our channel, and if you want private tutoring with me, just go to my website stemtuition.net.